there are some persons who will never post any video because they are
Mm-hmm.
having a fear of posting the video. Though they want to do the job, but they are not. They are having the fear in them that how will I look? So,
Mm-hmm.
what's the take on this? What you can give guidance to those persons?
See, Kenny, when we were small, if we loved something, if suppose if there is any favorite food or any
Right,
favorite sweet, this we came to know about this by tasting it twice or thrice. You tasted it first, you loved it little bit. You tasted it second, you liked little more. Third time you taste, it become your favorite food. Same happens when you start
right,
posting the videos. First time you post videos, people will not see you. If you have that fear,
right,
like why should I post, or if what will people see, what will people say, and what will others think, am I looking good or not, this all are like limiting beliefs. The most like the best learning from Gary Vee on this is, see, you need not to judge yourself. Don't judge yourself in any circumstance. You need not to judge yourself. Second thing is, don't allow others judgment to pass in your mind. And once you
right,
have this thought, like if you're not taking anyone's judgment and if you're not judging yourself, then you will start doing something because you're not worried about others. And like Rahul Bhattacharya also told that if you are not starting and if you're not doing something for yourself, no one else will come and do it for you. So this we should have in our mind,
right,
and we should start posting. We need to start creating something. If you want to make it big, we have like only one life. And if you're not doing now, you will get into your older days. When you get older, in that days you will start regretting. And regrets are really very bad. You need not to regret.
right,
So have this mindset once you start doing something. And if you don't want to regret, you just need to start doing each and everything which you have now. Whatever you are having, like internet is the biggest revelation. You can use it. Start posting the videos. Let people judge. Don't take their judgment. You also don't judge yourself. Like, am I looking good, or my videos will come? Like my videos will get likes or not? What if people will
right,
comment? This will happen. This will happen, and we need to go through this if you want to really do something. And this all things will not matter you once you are in your older days. They will really not matter. What will matter is like you took that step in, like once you are in your older days, you will think that no, I did that. I will,
right.
we will be not having any regrets. I wish I could do this is far better than yes, I did it, I didn't get the results. So that's how it should work. And let's start posting. You need not to worry about others. Start posting, take that action, and make it really very big for yourself. Don't have
Yes,
any
all
fear. Thanks, Varun. Like, don't have any fear of others. Don't have that limiting beliefs. That's it.
right,
And that's how the world is. Because when we don't know our own self, how can someone else will tell about us? So that's how it is. And you just need to start posting, start creating, start like open that mobile phone, turn on the camera, start recording yourself, start documenting your journey, inspire people, tell your stories. People will get inspired. People are not
right.
responding, people are not hitting that like, whatever it is, it's their problem. What you need to do is you need to add more. That's it.
As it is rightly said, in that if we are taking initiative, any initiative, we are defeating 90% of the people who are never taking initiative. So we should always
Right.
take initiative.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. Taking initiatives are must and we should do, because we will like as you told rightly said that 90% we are
Right,
defeating. And that's really very like must and very powerful that you taking initiative, because most of the people will be just consuming the content. They just consume the content, and you starting putting out,
right,
you're creating content. So changing the like creating the transition for yourself from consuming the content to creating the content will make you take that
right.
initiative, will take you more long. So rightly said, Kenny. Yeah,
As
thanks,
in,
Imran.
yeah, as in, when we are going for any job or like that, they also demand that we need to have our own perspective rather than taking
Right,
another perspective or from any internet, if we are taking their perspective. So for that,
right.
we have to have knowledge, and for that, we have to create content.
Definitely, definitely. You need to create more. You need to create more. You need to do more in terms of putting those content. And from there, you will
Right,
get more knowledge, and that will really help you in getting any job, as you rightly said.
right.